Hi students, good morning to all of you. Welcome to Sri Academy online classes. My name is Pramod Kumar. Today we will discuss lesson 9 array. So let's start this video. What is array? Each variable used in program is located one storage location in the computer memory and holds one value at a time. Means when you use program variable and one value represent at a time. For example, if you write the statement let a equal to 5, it shows that variable a is stored at some memory location that has been assigned the value 5. Means one times you show one value in one variable. If you try to assign a new value to a variable a, the previous value gets overwritten. If you want to show other value of a, then you can erase first value, then you can write second value in a. In a real life scenario, we often come across situations where we need to store multiple values. When we store multiple values such as name of 10 students, temperature recording for next 10 days, या marks in 10 subject, means now present times you can use multiple value at a time. So consider a situation where you have to create 50 individual variables to store similar types of data for the marks of 50 students in a class. This way a program will become more complex and confusing, as you have to be particular about the usage of the variable in order to work with the data assigned to them. It means if you through a programming you can assign a single variable at a time, but now a scenario multiple value assigned in a single variable, just like example of marks of 10 students, temperature of 10 days, attendance of 10 days, 1 month. So such type of value stored in a single variable, so you can use array. It is how possible to represent a large value of data by single variable with a position variable with parenthesis of variable with one value in parenthesis is called the subscripted variable. Means one variable in parenthesis like a0, a1, a2, like this, a50. It's called the subscripted variable. Here a is the name of the variable and 0, 1, 50 are its subscripts. It's defined that the name of the variable is same, yet the storage location of data items will be different. Means you can store same location. Means just like you store a variable let a equal to 5. Same location store, but 50 variable, it's 50 value. You can store a single location. Thus, we can say an array is a structured variable that is used for storing many individual values that are of same type. Means array is the structured variable that is used to storing many individual values that are the same type. An array is given a name and also specified number of data terms that will be contained. Means array give a name and also specified the number of data items that will contain. Each data item in array is possible to a particular element. Normally the first element in array always given an index value of 0 and the index is increment for the each element thereafter. Means through the arrow, means why are used array? Means in a programming single variable assign a single value, but if you want to provide multiple value in a single variable, then you can use array, and array index start A0, and after that increment means A0, A1, A2, A3, such type of increment, and you can assign more than two value in a single variable. If you want to show marks of 50 students, then you can assign a single variable A and index start from your A0 to A50. Next one, the declaration of array in QB64. How to declare array in QB64? In QB64, the array is declared with the use of dim statement, DIM. Dim statement that rewards the memory space for an array of any desired size. The dim statement is followed by the subscripted variable and number of subscripts. Syntax here: dim, array name, and size. Means dim statement rewards the memory space for an array of any desired size. Dim, array name, and provide the size. Let us understand the use of dim statement with numeric value. Here the program. Write a program to store 5 numbers in single dimension array and display your sum. Dim number 1 to 5. Number 1 10, number 2 20, number 3 5, number 4 15, and number 5 30. Here the loop, for loop, for x equal to 1 to 5. Sum plus number x. X means here first loop run x is equal to 1 to number x number 1. So here the value of 10. Sum is equal to 10. Next x. Next x means x equal to 2. Here condition is true. Then number sum means here sum is 10 and number 2 20. Means 30 store in sum. Next 3, x is equal to 3, 4, and 5. 5 means value of 30. And after that, show here the total 80. Print the sum is sum. Then print sum is total 80. So this is array. Here only one variable x and use a multiple value and provide the sum. So through this array you can easy way to assign multiple value in single variable. Here only one variable x value increase first one 1 2 3 4 and taken the value of this and store in sum. Add in sum. Hopefully you understand what is array, why are used array, and how to declare array in QB64. If you face any problem, call me my number 8840156170. Thank you.